Hi, I'm Evie, and this is the rest of the day. I'm very sorry for not doing it today. I was really busy, but here we go. Matthew 5:14. You are a light of the world, a city set on a hill that can't be hidden. This verse is very powerful. I love it so much. It means like we are a light. I talked about this on my podcast that we are a light to this world, and that light can't be hidden because we're so bright that the light can't be hidden. Well, so I hope this really helps. And my pastor was preaching that last night. He was good about talking about this, but I'm really love this verse now. It's one of the best, I think. It shows are, how much our light can shine. So I hope you have an amazing day.